navigating troubled waters, understanding, get into deep water. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, get into deep water. This idiom might sound like it's about swimming, but it's actually rich in meaning and widely used in various contexts. Let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you incorporate this expression into your own English conversations. When someone says they've gotten into deep water, they're not talking about literally entering a deep part of a pool or ocean. Instead, this phrase is a metaphor. It means finding oneself in a difficult situation or a problem that's hard to get out of. The idea is that deeper waters are harder to navigate and can be more dangerous, similar to how complex problems are tougher to solve. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, get into deep water, likely comes from the literal dangers of being in water that's too deep, where the risk of drowning is higher. This metaphor has been applied to social and professional contexts, indicating situations that are over one's head or beyond one's ability to manage. Using idioms correctly can help you sound more like a native speaker. Here's how to use get into deep water in conversations, when discussing personal or professional difficulties. In writing, it can be used to describe complex scenarios in stories or reports. Examples: I really got into deep water when I tried to manage the project on my own. He found himself in deep water after making several risky investments. There are several other idioms in English with similar meanings. Knowing these can enrich your language skills. Bite off more than one can chew, taking on a task that is too difficult. Out of one's depth, lacking the knowledge, experience, or skills to handle a situation. In hot water, in trouble or at risk of being in trouble. Get into deep water is more than just an idiom about swimming. It's a vivid way to describe being in a challenging situation. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use get into deep water confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to add color to your language and better understand native speakers. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.